Right, good morning, welcome to SouthernCrossGO. Now, I'm just coming to have a look at a little update on the sand pumping and the pipes and the stuff like that. So I've come to the German beach and then just gone back towards Kuta a bit. Yeah, they're actually building another break wall right up here. I've done all them videos, every couple of month update on the 4 big break walls you can see down there. Now they're building a new one up here as well. So I thought they'd already would have run the pipes through because they're going to go right through to Kuta Beach. But they seem to still just finish here. We'll just walk down and have a look. Yeah, you've got 3 diggers out there working. And building another break wall up here. So they're basically going to just be all the way along. So you can see the 1, 2, 3 and they're building another one, 4. So there's 5. You can see a lot of the pipes up here. So it looks like since I did that first update a couple of months ago, they've only just run the pipes to here and they haven't done them any further. All right, geez, there's a lot of rubbish on the beach down here. Look at it up there, the plastic. So yeah, you can see the original pipeline that comes from right around near the airport right to here, which is where they'd done last time. And here's all the stack of pipes here, ready to go, but they still haven't done any further. Yeah, it surprised me. I thought they put this first pipe in, the big long one along the German beach, that was all just done so quickly, like within a month or so, it seemed to just appear, you know. But check out the size of these pipes. Look how thick they are. They're about 5 centimetres thick or something. Really big, thick pipes. Check them out. So they weld them together, sort of. You've got a machine that runs around it and sort of welds them together. We'll go up and check the pipe here and see how far it actually went to. Like, looks like that's what they're doing here. You can see they actually weld the pipes together somehow. They've got some sort of machine that joins them. And looks like these 2 long sections here, they've welded together and I suppose they drag them through. We'll just go around and see. Oh, geez, look at the rubbish on the beach down here. Look at it down there. There's just miles of it. You know, there's another big digger up on the beach there. I don't know what that's doing. All right, we'll walk back around towards, well, looks like they weld them together and then they do put, well, these pipes are steel. These are steel pipes. So it looks like that first section all the way along are steel pipes. And these are the plastic ones. All right. So we'll see how far it goes. So it only really comes through to here. All right, I was thinking they were all plastic pipes. So it runs right through this corner and then just stops over here. Yeah, these are actually the welded plastic ones. I think they spin them and it creates friction and they melt together. I've seen some video on it once before. So this is it. It just comes to here and that's it. Now, I don't know what these things are. Look at this big wide pipe. It goes into a big giant one to adjusting the size to this big one. I don't know whether or what this thing is. Maybe they're going to sit that out in the ocean. It fills full of water and sucks water through the pipes or something. I don't know. Strange, isn't it? What is this thing? Actually, the pipe just runs straight through the centre. Maybe it's to float. Maybe they float this one out there somewhere, because it's concrete on the bottom to make it sit up this way, and I suppose that's a big float. Yeah, maybe that's how they pump it. Something to do with the sand pumping. Anyway, just a bit of a quick look, but this surprised me a lot. So we'll just walk down here a little bit. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Lucy playing with the other dogs over there. Let's go down here and have a little look at this break wall. There's about 6 guys just sitting out there and they've got the 3 machines operating. Always a little surprise from the Indonesian government, the Balinese government. You know, I didn't know they were going to keep doing here, so they're basically going to, I don't know if they've ever really had that much trouble with big seas washing up into here. This is a pretty big break wall, this one. Look at it, where it starts, but obviously they're building the same thing, so there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 of them. Yeah, interesting. This is a really nice area through here, right through here, Discovery Mall, all the way through the airport actually. There's a lot of big 5-star resorts and that. Beach resorts right on the resort. This one's called Sakanti, or maybe just the name of the restaurant. Oh, Sakanti Spa. Yes, very interesting. They're definitely doing a break wall. It's going to be about the same size as all the other break walls. And they're into it. Looks like the base through the middle is the black stone, and then they're putting all the white limestone on the outside. Yeah, we'll walk up the end here a bit further and see what they're doing up further. This is the Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotels and Villas. It's really nice actually. A lot of people come down this area for sunset, hang around the Discovery Mall and have a look. But this digger here, I suppose he's going to go out on this little sand thing they've built here, like a sand bridge out to it, and then have 4 machines going. So when they get into it pretty quickly. Yeah, well, he's heading out. You see they built a little sand bridge there for the diggers to go out, but he's going to go out and start on this end, I suppose. So they're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 excavators going. So they get into it. When they do it, they happen real quick. Here's another one. He's just bringing piles of small rocks and that out by the look of it. Yeah. They get into it. They get into it damn quickly, I'll tell you what. So we'll just walk down to the corner here and have a look what they've done on that last break wall on the beginning of Kuta Beach there. We'll see how far they've gone on that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys just standing out there. Maybe they're the engineers or just workers to get in if they need to have something done while they're there, I don't know. Maybe surveyors or something. Yeah, looks like they've got a couple of theodolites set up there, so they're surveying at the height, trying to keep it level. So we'll just see from the corner down here how far we've done. So you very rarely get big swells, unless there's a big massive like cyclone swell coming off the bottom of Western Australia or something up here, and it's very rarely you get big massive swells that actually do any damage to these places, you know. Anyway, some nice little bungalows and that around. Very nice. It'd be good to stay, I suppose not at the moment with all that noise going, but yeah, it's a bit of a higher end, a bit more expensive up this end because they're all bigger resorts all the way through to the airport. But that is a nice area, you know. And then once you cross, you know, get out into the actual Kuta Beach and all that down there, past Discovery Mall, it gets like the basic Kuta. All right, so you can actually see. So we nearly walked right through to the beginning of Kuta Beach. Go on, Lizzie, here. You can see the big one with the black rocks right down the end. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this is the 5 and they're not going to do another one up further. Lucy's way ahead. She was nearly through to Kuta Beach. She wants to keep going. Look, go on, go about the bike, Lucy. Come on. Lucy. Anyway, yeah, they're into it. And early in the morning too. So anyway, I thought they would have already run that pipeline. I suppose they're going to run it when they finish these break walls up on the inside of all these break walls right through to Kuta Beach. But I thought they would have already started putting them through. I suppose they can't because of all the diggers and that coming up and down here all the time. They can't really finish the pipeline. So when that's going to be done and operating, I'm not sure. But anyway, we'll just keep you updated on that. Now, I thought I'd come down here, give Lucy a walk to somewhere different. Nearly every morning we go somewhere different. A lot of the time just go down to Legian, 78, you know, somewhere, sometimes out the Sanua, sometimes down the lake. So anyway, yeah, bit of an update. Alright, so you can see they got, like I said before, they got all the black volcanic rocks through the middle there, and these guys, as they're placing the limestone, sort of like just a limestone cover on the outside, they're actually getting down in there and helping fit those rocks in properly. So I wonder how much these villas are right here on the ocean. It doesn't look like there's anyone in any of them. Well, there's one. So maybe the noise is keeping people away, I suppose. But yeah, so you can see this digger that just went out there. He's actually pulling up all the black rock, the volcanic rock. I don't know what type of rock it is, whether it's like a granite or whatever it is, I don't know. And he's placing that, and yeah, and then these guys are all starting to cover it like they have on the other. It's just actually a limestone covering. So the limestone to be softer, it'd wear away first, you know. And anyway, so we'll come down in a couple of weeks, and I'd say this will be finished within a couple of weeks. So you've got the 4 diggers there, and they're really getting into it. Anyway, head back to the bike. Now this would be a nice place here. I'm not quite sure what resort this is or anything, but there's a swimming pool just here behind the glass. Whether it's just a little private place there, I don't know. There's sort of rooms all in behind it. They really don't seem that big. I don't know. All right. All right. Having a company run by the look of it. Yeah, and then they've just got like a little tiny gift shop there, like big temple down the back. It's nice over here, it really is. But you're probably paying like, you know, minimum $200 to $400 a night or something, you know. Anvaya Beach Resort, guests only. Another big resort. Got the nice big pool. Wow, it's a big pool too. Swimming pool, maybe a restaurant on the front. Here it is here. Anvaya Beach Resort, Bali. Wow, it looks very nice, doesn't it? So a lot of people just come down like for sunset and that and hang out and in front of these resorts, and there's always a restaurant on the front and watch sunset. Because sunset's basically just straight out there, so. Where's that dog? Come on, Lucy. Luce. Here's my bike up here. I'll get back on the bike and head back towards home. Looks like there's a big storm coming in over here on the horizon, so I'm out of here. So I've just parked in front of this resort. You see here you can get fishing tours. There's a little tour box there, and these are little boats. Little banjo post over here. Probably where the fishermen hang out. It's a nice little area actually. So a lot of people, you're surprised how many people do come down here and just hang out for sunset, have a couple of beers, and yeah. Anyway, we're going to find Lucy! Luce! Anyway, going to find this dog. We'll get out of here. She's just sitting down on the beach down there. Lucy! Luce! So Lucy just doesn't want to come home. Oh, here she comes. Come on, Lucy, on the bike. Wait. Just wants to play with these dogs. Well, she just doesn't want to come. Anyway, I'll leave her here, she'll follow me. Come on, Liz, let's go. So I'll just hide around the corner here, see how long it takes her to come in. All right, good girl. Let's clip her on. And yeah, we're out of here. It looks like there's a little warungs maybe open of an afternoon, which is rare now. There's not many of them left, you know. All right. What do you reckon, Lucy? You like that? Do you want to leave? Another big resort. Not quite sure. Some of them haven't, like this one hasn't got names on the front. It's pretty big, but what is it? The Bintang something resort. Bintang Bali Resort. You can see they got these little drink boxes here, a couple of them. And there's a big building site here. Not sure what's going on here. Looks like it's just been sitting idle for a while. Bunch of units or something right on the beach. It looks like they've either gone broke or just stopped work. There's not much happening in there. Anyway, that's about it for the video. Back to the big German beach sign. Panto German.